This is the AI-powered smart bird feeder from Wansview. This bird feeder is awesome because it has a camera built right in that has so many functions. So when you fill this with bird food, then when the birds come to visit your bird feeder, the camera notifies you through the app. So you've paired the camera to the app and it will notify you that there is a bird eating from your bird feeder. And then in the app, it can even identify the species of the bird. This can be mounted to a wall, on a post, or in a tree through different mounting options. It came with the mounting bracket for mounting to the wall. You'll just screw this directly to the wall. And it even came with some little helpful tools to do that. So you have a little stencil so that you can mark where you need to screw it in. If you want to go around a tree, you can use the little strap with this bracket to go around a tree. Or if you just want to set it on top of a post, there is a mounting screw for that as well. Another amazing feature about this bird feeder is that it works 24 hours a day off of solar power. So you will plug this solar panel into the back of the bird feeder and mount this somewhere near the bird feeder where it's going to get some sunlight with its little mounting bracket. So you'll mount that and get some sun on this, and it will keep this charged up and transmitting to the app 24 hours a day. You can store the video on the memory card in the device, or you can have it saved to the cloud through the app. To fill the bird feeder, the back of this lifts up and you fill the inside, and then this snaps shut to lock it in so that the squirrels can't get in through the back door. There's a little trellis part that can be mounted to the front of the feeder for the birds to have somewhere to land while they're eating out of the food. And then you have a couple of little attachment choices. There is a circle that you can put a piece of like suet in there for them to peck around on, and these screw into the trellis part like that. And then there's one for hummingbirds as well. And there's 6 different places for those to screw in on here. Some other attachments are, there's a little water dish there. Then there's a couple of these little blades that you can screw on there. Then with these on there, you can stab a piece of fruit or something on there. I know my mom puts out oranges for the orioles, so that's what these little blades are for, and you can like stick it on there, give them a whole piece of fruit. I'm really excited to try out this camera, so let's go mount this outside so we can see if we can get some birds. So this can be mounted several ways. You can use the L bracket and screw the bracket directly to the wall by putting 2 screws in there, and then the feeder will screw into the bottom of the L bracket and sit just like that. Or you can use this piece to mount it to the top of a post, or you can use the strap to mount it to a tree, and we're going to mount it to a tree today. So to mount this to the tree, we're going to stick the strap through these little slots in the L bracket. And we'll wrap the strap around the tree and mount the feeder to the L bracket. With the L bracket mounted to the tree, you use the little screw piece up through the bottom hole and screw it into the bottom of the bird feeder. Tighten that in place. Add some food into the top. The solar panel plugs into the back right here. And you'll need to mount it somewhere where it will get some sun. I'm going to put it on the back side of this where it's out of the way. Now we can connect our feeder to the app and we can watch the birds from the app on our phone. Okay, we're all logged in to the app and we're paired up with the camera, and I can see it here on our iPad. So we're watching for the birds right now. I'll see if I can get a shot captured of some birds. Overall, we've been really impressed with this bird feeder from Wansview. It has a fantastic picture and it's going to be so much fun watching the birds. If you are a bird enthusiast, then we would highly recommend this bird feeder with the camera on it so you can keep track of all your birds.